Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Icy Road Warning in the all-new 2023 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an LX front-wheel drive in dawning red. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we are going to head into the instrument panel, and we're going to use these buttons on the right side of the steering wheel here to navigate through. We're going to use the sheet of paper button, I like to call it, to go sideways through the menu. We have up and down, and to select something that's highlighted, we'll push this black button in for OK. So I'm going to go sideways over to the user settings where the gear is. I'm going to go down into cluster. I'm going to press OK. And then a few down here, there's the Icy Road Warning. And right now it is selected on, so it's activated. Now you'll see in the bottom right corner there, that's our outside temperature, 5 degrees Celsius. Now as soon as the vehicle hits 4 degrees Celsius or under, or I think about 39 degrees Fahrenheit, it will ping with a little snowflake and it will pop up on the instrument panel just to let you know that ice may be possible. So if you're not a fan of that feature and you don't want it to alert you with it, you can just go ahead and make sure that this is unchecked and then it will not alert you. And if you do prefer it, just make sure it's checked on and it will let you know when the temperature drops that ice may be possible. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.